If 2 over a minus 1 equals 4 over y, where y doesn't equal 0 and a doesn't equal 1, what is y in terms of a? We could plug in here. It's kind of annoying though. We'd have to pick an a and then pick the y that would work for it, and then plug in the y and the a that we picked here that made these two equal, and then see which one of these works. So it's kind of a lot of work. I think it's much easier to do this algebraically. We want to get this, when they say y in terms of a, that means we want to get some equation y equals blah. And everything on this side, everything, all the blah should contain some sort of a. So let's go ahead and get y equals. Let's first start by cross multiplying. So we're going to get 2y equals 4a minus 4. I'll divide both sides by 2. So I get y equals, and I'm just going to divide the 2 into each one of these terms. So I get 2a minus 2. And that's choice A. And that's it. This one is ranked a medium by the College Board, which I don't quite see. I think it's a bit easy, but again, we will see how my interpretations of what's easy, medium, difficult are based on my opinions, and that is not as good as their data will be, in theory, to see how many students get certain questions right and wrong. So I think this one isn't that bad. If you can manipulate these equations, if you know how to, basically look at the choices and see that all of them are in the form of y equals something with an a in it. So even if you didn't know what this meant, you could look at the choices and maybe realize, oh, I got to get this as y equals, cross multiply, do a couple simple algebraic manipulations, and that's it. So I don't think this is too bad of a question. You could plug in, as I mentioned in the first part of the video, but I think it's more work than is necessary here. I think if you're going to plug in, you might as well just do it the algebraic way. All right, plugging in and those types of strategies sometimes make questions easier, sometimes not. The key is to be fluent in both algebraic, as we did here, and also plugging in so that you can use the right tool for the job.